In today's video, we're going to explore how to hide your photos on iOS 18. With every new update, Apple often changes some features and layouts on the iPhone, so let's take a look at how you can hide photos in the latest iOS version. It's really simple, just open your Photos app and go to your gallery. Find the photo you want to hide and tap on it to open it. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen where you'll see 3 dots. Tap on these dots and you'll see a few options, one of which is Hide. Select the Hide option and then confirm by tapping on Hide Photo. Once you do that, the photo will immediately disappear from your main gallery. However, you can still find it later in the hidden album in the Photos app. That's it for this quick guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.